Goldman Sachs just dropped a bomb. 300 million jobs gone by 2028. Not maybe, not eventually. By 2028. McKinsey studied 8,000 companies across 50 countries. Their findings stopped every boardroom cold. 50% of white-collar work gets automated. That's lawyers, accountants, analysts, marketers, coders, all of them. Right now, Claude reads 100,000 Word documents in seconds. GPT-4 writes legal contracts better than junior associates. In 6 months, not 6 years. Microsoft reported 49% productivity gains inside enterprises already using Copilot. Competitors forced to match those numbers or die. Goldman Sachs analysts predict 44% of legal work disappears. Financial analysis falls next. Coding jobs compress into 20% of current headcount. Your job is either automating work or being automated. Your paycheck depends on which side you pick today. This isn't hype. This is math. This is earnings reports. This is your 2028. Your mortgage, your family, your career depends on moving faster than the algorithm. Like and subscribe for more. Zero Input AI every day.